Hello everyone, let's check a 2023 Mix FK cars. A highway hauler 2 with a Hotwheels decals on body. A LB super seal out Nissan Silvia S15, this time in golden paint job. A 2017 Camaro ZL1 in a beautiful yellow paint job. A 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 in a sparkling silver paint job with green decals on body. A Audi 90 Quattro, a new casting for 2023. A recolor for a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. A 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster, this time in blue. A Nissan petrol car in a complete blue paint job with some funky decals on body. A Surfin school bus. A Ford Escort RS 2000 in a complete red paint job. A classic TV series Batmobile. A Renault Sport RS01 in a mainline version. A Dodge Viper RT10. A 1973 Honda Civic Custom. A Daimachini Veloce in a complete blue paint job with red metallic chrome wheels. A Donut Drifter. A Subaru WRX STI. A 70s van, this time in a blue paint job. A 1971 Porsche 911. A Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. A Ducati Desert X. And a 1972 Corvette Stingray convertible. A new 2023 Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Ice Time Machine. This monster truck is a treasure hunt from a movie Back to the Future. Let's check out some Matchbox castings. A 2023 Matchbox number 52 out of 100, a road roller. The first one to the post is a number 52 road roller. The unusual color combination of green and red reminds of a Christmas. It also reminds the original colors used as a Lesney road roller. A 2023 Matchbox number 72 out of 100, a 1995 Nissan Hardbody. A Matchbox 2023 releases of a Nissan Hardbody model features deco on a hood and sides. The main colors of a dark red and blue mimic the livery of an actual road version of a 1988 Nissan Hardbody. And upcoming models by Tarmac Works. A new tooling alert. A first ever Ferrari F40 LM, which competed in a Topeka 2 Hours in 1990. So pre-order has started. So order via authorized resellers. A 993 remastered by Gunter Wex, yellow with a carbon fiber pattern racing stripes. So pre-order yours now with authorized resellers. A BRE Datsun 510 #85 Trans AM 2.5 Championship. A 1972 is now available for pre-ordering via authorized resellers. This car must have between collectors and the Datsun 510 fans. Veloce Models presents a Ferrari 488 GTB LB Performance. Color of a car Gudam MS6S Zaku 2. Limited only 50 pieces. Material made from resin. The release date of this car is this month. A GCD Models presents a Toyota Land Cruiser LC300. Color of the car Japan Super GT Track Safety Car. Material made from die-cast. Releasing this month. A GCD Models presents a Toyota LC300 with snorkel. Color of a car are red, black and white. Material made from die-cast. Releasing between January and March 2023. A Hobby Japan presents a Toyota Sprinter Torino GT Apex AE86/Initial D versus Ryusuke Takashi's with Takumi Fujiwara figure. Material made from die-cast. Releasing on May 2023. And the last car for today's episode is from Error 404. Model a Lamborghini Murcielago Liberty Walk. Color of the car are red and white. Limited to 299 units. Material made from resin. The release date of a car is June 2023. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for further updates.